Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way. I just got a simple question for you. How do you trade? You got something like this one, or you got something like this one? In today's video, I will show you in just 20-30 seconds what to do to trade on such a chart and forget about this messy stuff. So let's start the rock and roll. So the only thing you need to know when you trade, you need to know that the market goes in cycles. You probably know it. So the only thing you need, the only tool, is just one simple line. I will show you how to do it very quickly. It will be a short one. You draw the line over here. You got the top here. You press your mouse and drag your line. You double click it, use another one, you put the line here, and it will tell you where is possible turning of the point of the market. You know that the market is falling. The market is a bear market on EURUSD from 2008. So you might predict that in the future the market will fall again at the same interval. So you do it this way. You go here to the last stop, drag the line, you check where is it, and it shows you the date, 13th of February. So that's probably the date when the market might turn. Nothing special, nothing else. That's the only thing you do to trade and just to forget about something like this. So in this way, watch my other videos and I'll see you next time.